see a reflection in the glass as I record this.
Dude, do you hear that?
Yeah, I hear it.
It sounds like a laser gun or something. Dude, that's awesome. It's like an echo that...
And because these windows are so thick, like, you hear the boom, but you don't hear, like...
I think there's like an effect coming off
Yeah.
of the building, and it's creating the sort of...
Just unloading.
That's stupid. The magic of Bronycon. They know.
Good morning, Baltimore.
Did they play that at the opening?
No, they didn't.
No, they
This year
didn't.
they didn't.
What?
They did it every other year. That's what I've noticed.
It started in 2015,
Yeah.
but
So we're 3 years in a row, but
I loved that video.
yeah, that part where they all like jump on Flufflepuff.
Oh, yeah.
Or that one giant con attendant with the Steven Universe cutie mark.
Oh, yeah. I'm wondering if that was supposed to be like a bit of a jab at the...
I think it was. That top one there was so cool.
Yeah. Did you?
Wait for it.
Oh.
Do it.
Oh, little spark shows.
And there. That's amazing.
That is.
It's still going!
Wow.
Wow. It's like the 4th of July up there.
Yeah, it's just the Baltimore frickin' Orioles.
They got some pride in their team.
Look at all the lights going on in the audience.
Yeah, I see some of the cameras going off in the audience.
I feel so sorry for that. I think it's a Holiday Inn that's got all the smoke coming towards them.
That one?
Yeah.
What is that building?
I think it's a hotel of some sort.
Really?
And I think it's just part of the stadium.
Yeah, I think
Like a museum or something.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Dang.
God, wow, they are still freaking going.
This isn't even 4th of July anymore. This is like Magic Kingdom levels. What the heck? That one was a rainbow. I call it.
Oh, nice.
Thanks, Dashy.
A sonic rainbow.
Sonic Rain work.
There we go.
There you go.
Do you think rain works or fire bows?
Sonic boom!
I want to know how it's making that sound effect.
I hear it too.
I hear it mostly when like it splits into 4. Like you.
Those ones aren't exploding. They're just comets.
And one of them's going right to the audience. Okay, now.
Shoot. One goes off course and comes right for us.
It's like some friggin' Mary Poppins.
Damn.
Yeah, it seems those ones that split up, like into several ones, those make the most of that whistling noise.
All right. That looked like the finale. Maybe not. I know nothing.
You're recording this whole thing?
Yeah. I'm recording the whole thing. I'm gonna put it on YouTube.
Yeah, the Orioles won.
So, yeah, exactly. The Orioles won, people.
That's all it is.
Yeah, the Orioles won, but we get a free fireworks show.
Well, do they play this anyways, even if the Orioles didn't win?
I think they won last night, but I didn't think they.
Purple Comets.
I don't think they did it because I think this. Again, I think this is like a Friday night special. Red, I like.
Okay, now it feels like we just beat the Empire. Seriously!
It's like we just beat the machines and Zion is free. I love those reviews of
There's
his,
gonna
by
be
the
so
way.
much smoke over there now.
And I'm proud to be an American!
Yeah, seriously, I love those reviews of his, the
Holy
Nostalgia
cow.
Critics, the Matrix.
Yeah.
Yeah, those are good ones.
Are they just trying to smoke us out at this point?
Alright, I think that was the finale.
I don't know. It's still going!
It was out.
Wait for it.
Do it!
Oh wow!
Still going!
My God!
I feel like I should be dancing with Ewoks right now.
Go to bed.
Yum num, da yum num, num num, blah 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 blah. I don't know what they say.
Have you ever seen anything more American, my friends?
We're in a hotel for a My Little Pony convention across the street, literally from a baseball field with a fireworks show
The
going
only
on.
possible way that can be more American is if the fireworks just exploded into the shape of boobs. There we go!
Tit-shaped fireworks.
Oh.
Okay. That has to be the finale.
I think someone just lost control of the fireworks at this point.
Alright, the lights are on.
But it's still going!
Okay. The lights are on. It's fucking over. Finally.
But there was one more after that happened. I think someone like dropped a match in the middle of the box at that point.
It's like, oh shit, just get the lights, get it going.
Wow. Look at all the smoke!
Alright,
What the heck?
look at it. Wow.
Damn, that is a lot of smoke.
Yeah.
Maybe this is just the annual purging of the panhandlers?
Like the Purge?
Oh, everyone's leaving now.
Oh yeah, I'm zoomed into all these people. I see them all leaving. Oh, that's actually pretty good quality. Look. You actually...
Damn, you can really zoom in with some of those cameras. I was, with one of my old video cameras, I was able to zoom in on the moon and see its craters, so...
I need you to send me this footage, dude, because I'm going to try and make a compilation for this year. I'm still working on last year's, but I need to make a compilation for this year as well.
That's the moon, people.
The moon.
That's Luna mooning us.
Maybe that's why we were doing fireworks, because the stadium was just so excited about Luna's butt.
That's like... it's weird. The camera's picking up two. Like, it picks up the moon,
That's because of the window.
but then it
It's
picks
kinda
up,
weird.
yeah, it's shining through the window.
I can see it right now with my eyes.
Yeah, it's like, okay, I'm gonna cut out now.